how can you ensure the quality of your insulating fluids meet the highest criteria? After all, there are a lot of factors that critically influence the credibility of your measurements. It all starts with taking the sample, a process so important and sensitive, but still often underrated. Once a good quality sample has made it to testing, there are two key parameters of interest. 1. The condition of the oil. 2. The insulating capacity. Both can easily and accurately be determined with the reliable insulating fluid testing technology by BAUR. With more than 75 years of experience, BAUR solutions define industry standards, giving you confidence in your own expertise and measurement results. The BAUR DTL-C is the perfect diagnostic device for condition evaluation. By detecting contamination of the oil, oxidation products, and exact measurement of potential partial discharges in the equipment, it gives you highly reliable knowledge of the condition of the oil. The BAUR DPA and DTA devices, on the other hand, measure the breakdown voltage in the field as well as the laboratory. Test for excessive water content, impurities, or oxidation with a unique glass vessel for constant and most accurate measurement results. The ITS Lite software brings it all together by simplifying the processing of measurement results, delivering customer-specific reporting, as well as data archiving. And with all of this, we know cost-effectiveness, reliability, and accuracy are equally important. That's why our insulating fluid testing solutions are designed for hundreds of thousands of testing cycles, delivering reliable results each and every time. You'd like to know more? Visit us at baur.eu/IFT.